Well, unfortunately, we're in for a rather miserable night. A storm is bringing high winds, heavy rain, even some snow to parts of our area.
Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo joins us now. Kate, when is all of this going to start to move out?
Well, it looks like it'll move out pretty quickly overnight, guys. The worst of it is through the next 6-7 hours, and then we start to see things improve quickly. Tomorrow morning's commute should be mainly dry, although there still may be some ponding and some flooding concerns tomorrow. Right now, we're seeing some rain. It's light at the moment at the airport. It's 45 degrees. You can see roads are wet. It's dreary, 45 and raining. That is miserable. It's a cold, dreary rain. Better than snow, although I know some folks out there might say I'd rather have snow than a cold rain all day. At least if you don't have to go anywhere, it might be prettier than what we have tonight. Pouring rain, rainfall rates of about a ½ inch per hour at times, and that's going to be wind-driven rain as well. Winds will be sustained at about 20 miles per hour with gusts to 35 or 40 miles per hour, possibly even stronger overnight at the coast. Street flooding is a concern as well. Tidal flooding near the mouth of the Delaware Bay, the Delaware River, also any of the smaller creeks and streams and down through the shore communities, but also excessive rainfall, and areas that have both the tidal flooding and the excessive rainfall will run the greatest risk of street flooding with this system. So you can see it's really starting to get its act together. This coastal low developing right here off the coast of the Carolinas and Virginia. Heavy rain just continuing to stream in. Look at all this moisture. This moisture transport is just coming in from the Atlantic Ocean all night long. Pockets of heavy downpours right now lining up from Trenton down toward Wilmington, right down to south of D.C., and this corridor of moisture will just keep flowing all night long. So Storm Scan 3 right now shows the heaviest rain over lower Montgomery County, Warminster, right down toward the Manayunk, Roxborough, Chestnut Hill section of northwest Philly. You can see some heavy downpours right here in West Philly as well. And as we head down into northern Delaware, we're starting to see some heavier rain start to lift back in right along I-95, Elkton, Maryland, up toward Wilmington. It is pouring right now. And again, this is only going to get worse. 11 o'clock tonight, look at this rain and the winds as well. That's when the center of this storm will be right about to push through the area, so it is pouring. Up in the Poconos, we've got some ice concerns as well as snow, 3 to 5 inches of snow possible in the Poconos. 3 a.m., the rain is tapering off, the snow is tapering off, and this is moving out. The only good news, this is not severe weather. We're not talking severe thunderstorms or anything like that. This is mainly just heavy rain and heavy snow if you're in the highest elevations of the Poconos. Over an inch will still fall on top of what has already fallen, and some spots could see up to 2 inches of rain tonight into the overnight hours. Coastal flooding once again a concern, where you see the dark green, Cape May County, Kent and Sussex counties in Delaware under a coastal flood warning. That's where likely the rain will be heaviest in combination with that tidal flooding. And a flood watch in effect for the city of Philadelphia and points north for excessive rainfall. That's once again where that corridor of heaviest rain is setting up. We also have a wind advisory overnight for all of our shore communities and southern Delaware for gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. And one more advisory to tell you about. That's in the Poconos, a winter weather advisory for 3 to 5 inches of snowfall, plus the threat of some ice as well. Tomorrow we clear it out pretty quickly. It's still chilly, but Wednesday is much nicer, and it just gets nicer from there. Mother Nature saying, okay, sorry, I gave you a pretty rough Monday, but here's something to make up for it. 73 by Friday, and then into the 70s again over the weekend. We'll be right back.